Hello guys, welcome back to Nafa MJ channel. In this video, I want to tell you a story about SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob is a childish, joyful, hardworking, and sometimes clumsy and silly. SpongeBob, a sea sponge who lives in a pineapple with his pet snail Gary. He lives in the underwater city of Bikini Bottom. He works as a fry cook at the Krusty Krab, a job in which he is exceptionally skilled at and enjoys thoroughly. He attends Mrs. Puff's boating school, and his greatest dream in life is to receive his boating license. Unfortunately, he tenses up whenever he has to drive a boatmobile, and he drives recklessly by speeding, crashing into buildings, which causes him to fail every time. SpongeBob is very good-natured and loves to hang out with his best friend, Patrick. His teacher is Mrs. Puff, and his boss is Mr. Krabs. During his time off, SpongeBob has a knack for attracting trouble with his starfish best friend, Patrick. Arrogant octopus Squidward Tentacles, SpongeBob's neighbor, dislikes SpongeBob because of his childlike behavior. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and ring the bell.